There's a lot of debate about whether UPI is going to be free anymore or not. क्या यूपीआई पे भी चार्जेस लग सकते हैं? Let me clarify. So the Lok Sabha has passed a bill on the 6th of August. It's the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, which could pave the way, it may pave the way for a merchant discount rate on UPI. But is it actually happening? So the bill, if passed, सबसे पहली बात है तो ये बिल अभी सिर्फ लोकसभा में पास हुआ है. एक बिल को एक एक्ट बनने के लिए लोकसभा के बाद उसको राज्यसभा में पास होना होता है और उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंशियल असेंट चाहिए होती है. देन इट बिकम्स एन एक्ट. So this has just been passed in the Lok Sabha for now, so it's not an act. That's the first point we must know. So if this bill is passed, it will amend the Payment and Settlements Systems Act of 2007, and that will give power to the central government to decide which transactions can attract such charges. So I'll just give you a brief. MDR क्या होता है? MDR is merchant discount rate. Merchant discount rate is basically the charges that are charged on a transaction, but they're not levied on the consumer as such. They're basically जो payment aggregators होते हैं, जैसे Razorpay, ये सब होते हैं, PayU, एंड जो कार्ड नेटवर्क्स होते हैं जैसे वीजा, मास्टर कार्ड, रुपे, इन सब पे डिवाइड होता है जो मर्चेंट डिस्काउंट रेट लगता है. बेसिकली ये बिजनेसेस पे लगता है, मर्चेंट्स पे लगता है. तो जब कोई ट्रांजैक्शंस होती हैं दैट इज यूजुअली पेड बाय द कार्ड नेटवर्क्स एंड आल्सो द पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर्स. So MDR is a fee that the businesses pay to banks and payment service providers for processing digital transactions. And this currently does not apply to UPI. And especially when the government is focusing on digital India and popularizing digital transactions. Since the RuPay card network was also launched and UPI was also launched, अभी तक इस पे कोई भी MDR नहीं चार्ज हो रहा था. अगर ये एक्ट पास हो जाता है, गवर्नमेंट के पास ये पावर आ जाएगी कि वो डिसाइड कर सकती है किस पे वो एमडीआर चार्ज कर सकते हैं. बट क्या वो यूपीआई पे करेंगे? ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा है. अगर करेंगे भी तो द पॉइंट इज that ये consumer पे नहीं लगेगा. We will not have to pay. You and I will not pay the MDR per se. It will actually be charged on the service providers, on the businesses, and on the card networks, not on individuals. And this was actually clarified by our finance minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji also, because she also said that this is nowhere mentioned कि ये UPI पे लगेगा या फिर consumers पे लगेगा. So I just wanted to clarify because there's a lot of debate happening and a lot of accusations कि ऐसा होने वाला है, UPI अब free नहीं होगा, which may not be the case. So just wanted to spread some information here. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.